Yes. Kidsy anthem. You are within me. You are infinite. You are unique. My potential inside. You are the wind beneath my flight. You define me. My potential inside. Today I pledge with all my might. I shall achieve you. My potential inside. Keep your eyes closed. Please open your eyes. Good morning, everyone, to all the superheroes of Cine KG. Welcome you to the fresh week. Today is Monday. We are going to start the class now. Okay, a big good morning. Can you all do your hands like this and say big? Yes, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay. Let's see who has joined. He has joined. Okay. Let's start
Good morning.
Good morning, Pranita. Okay. We'll start the warm up. Come on, please stand up. Quick, quick, quick. Come on. Let me ask Pranita. Pranita, count from 10. 10, 9,
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Very good, Pranita.
Come on, come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all of the time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all of the time. Stop,
Stop, Pranita.
like that.
Run.
Run, like a tiger.
Fast.
Run, like a tiger. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all of the time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all of the time. Stop.
Lakshita, raise your hand nicely.
Elephant. Stop.
Stomp your feet and raise your hand.
Stop. Like an elephant.
The other hand.
Stop.
Other hand. Neha, other hand.
Stop. Like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all of the time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all of the time. Stop. Kangaroo.
Jump. Lakshita, jump. Silas, jump.
Jump. Like an
Pranita, jump.
jump.
Jump. Pranita, jump.
Jump. Like an kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all of the time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all of the time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap. Like a crocodile. Snap. Like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all of the time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's all of the time. Stop. Eagle. like, like, like,
Good, Nukshita. Good, Pranita. Good, Sadie.
eagle. Like, 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 like an eagle. Stop.
Very good. Now. Okay, let's start with the attendance. I think Satvika has joined. Good morning, Satvika.
Good morning, Radha ma'am.
Good morning, Siddharth.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Okay. Please mark the attendance. Ready? Okay. Aiden? Not yet. Devarakshita? Yes, good morning, Karthikeyan. Devkrish? Good. Tanvin sir?
Here I am. Yo.
Perfect. Dikshan?
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. Dikshan, last week you were absent, right? Today, from last week, when you say here I am, I want you to say yo, raising a hand like that. Okay? Come on, Dikshan. Here I am.
Ma'am.
Yo, like that.
Here I am, ma'am.
Yo. Yes. Raise your hand and say yo. Okay? Parnas? No.
Okay.
Hashini?
Here I am, ma'am. Yo.
Good. Iron? No. Janavi?
Here I am, ma'am. Yo.
Good. Karthikeyan?
Here I am, ma'am. Yo.
Perfect. Kaviyarini? Not yet. Karthikeyan, can you fold your collar down? Your shirt collar down? Yeah, yes. Naitik?
Here I am.
Very good, Naitik. Neha?
Yo.
Good. Mithila?
Here I am, yo.
Good. Pranita?
Here I am, yo, ma'am.
Good, Pranita. Rohita? No. Satvika?
Yeah, ma'am, yo.
Good, Satvika. Sayesh?
Here I am, yo.
Good. Siddharth?
Yo. Here I am, yo, ma'am.
Good, Siddharth. What happened?
Power cut, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Tejas?
Here I am.
Say yo. Okay. Sarnika?
Here I am, yo.
Okay. Vishal?
Here I am, yo.
Okay. Zaidi?
Here I am, ma'am. Yo.
Good, Zaidi. Dhruv?
बोलो
Here I am, yo.
Okay. Brajesh? Nukshita?
Ma'am, you left ribbon, ma'am. Yo.
Sorry, Vivan?
Here I am, yo.
Okay, I'm sorry about that. Yes, Nukshita? Okay, Nukshita.
Here I am, ma'am. Yo.
Good, Nukshita. Okay. So, we'll spin the wheel. Ready? Let's see who is going to read today with me. So let's read Vivan.
Yeah.
Okay. It's not only about Vivan. I want all of you to listen what ma'am is showing and read along with me. Okay, children? Yes.
And.
And. Okay. What's this letter?
Can.
Perfect, Vivan. I love the way you're doing. Okay.
Pan.
Right.
One. Man.
Perfect, Vivan. Very good. Can you all give a big round of clap for friend Vivan? Perfect. Very good. Super. Okay. Last week we revised. At the end we closed with D, right? Okay. Let me spin the wheel. Let's check who is going to read AD words with me. One, two, three. Whose turn is that? Nithila, ready? What is it letter?
Yeah.
What is this one? The. Add. What is this letter? Add. Bad.
Yeah.
Mad. What is on the H? Very good. Add. Add. Okay. Thank you, Nithila. Give a big round of clap for Nithila, children. Come on, clap. Varsha, no talking during class time. Okay, thank you, Nithila. Okay, so let's revise quickly what we learned last week on Friday. We learned add words. Add words. Okay, this one H, as Nithila said, sound of H is okay. Add. Had. Add. Mad. Very good, Zedi. Add. Pad. Janavi, no talking during class time. Add. Bad. Okay. So we learned, so far we have learned an, at, add, and what did we learn? One more. That's it. Okay. So today we are going to learn.
Yeah, we have no man.
Okay.
Yeah, we have no man.
We learned ABAB. That's what you're telling me, Karthik. Okay. Okay, Sadie. Thank you. So we learned adverbs, 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 and adverbs. So I have sent you 2 words, right? I think add and add. So please practice that at home. Okay, I'll send the rest of 1 today. Okay. So now quickly we start with the rhyme. Please sit straight. We're going to start with Incy Wincy Spider. Ready? Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Hands above, everyone. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Up came the sun and dried up all the rain. So, Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Next rhyme, chubby chicks. Hold your cheeks, children. Chubby chicks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? S, S, S. Very good, Janavi. Okay, one more time, very fast. Okay, ready, children? Chubby chicks, dimple chin, rosy lips, teeth within, curly hair, very fair, eyes are blue, lovely too. Teacher's pet, is that you? S, S, S. Okay, very good. Okay, so before we start with the concept, we are going to look at a new concept. I need just a small help from you, children. Okay, so when ma'am is asking any question, okay, if you don't know the answer, you're always free to say, ma'am, I don't know. Okay, don't ask answer from your parents. Okay, if you ask the answer from your parents and tell me, how will I know that you understood or you know the things or not? Okay, so if ma'am asks you some question you don't know, tell ma'am, sorry, I don't know. No problem. Okay, but please don't get help from your parents and answer the questions. Okay, will you all do that help for me? So when you don't know, what will you say? Ma'am, I don't know. If you know the answer, very good, you can say the answer. So please be confident. Don't look at your parents for answers and don't get any help. Okay, so tell me whatever you know, whatever you understood, tell me. Only then it will be helpful for me to assess. Okay, will you all do that? Let me see how many are showing me thumbs up and listen. First, you should all listen. No talking during class time with your parents. Okay, if somebody calls you, tell no, I'm attending the class, I will not talk. You should say like that. Okay, so you all going to follow our classroom rule. 3 rules which we know already. Look only onto the screen and see what ma'am is showing you. And ears wide open to hear what ma'am is saying. Mouth no talking with anyone. Okay, when ma'am asks you, you can open your mouth and talk. Otherwise, no talking in the middle of the class. Okay, and sit properly. And the new one, you're going to say whatever you know, not getting help from anyone. Okay, if somebody has to tell no, I will say the answer. If you don't know the answer, tell me I don't know, no problem. Okay? Yes? Okay, we are going to start. So children, last week what concept did we learn? Let me ask Zadie, what concept did we learn last week? Did we learn houses or did we learn about pets? What did we learn?
House.
Yeah, we learned about houses. Very good. So now let me ask, Naitik, what is there in your house? Can you tell me one thing which is there in your house? Anything. Look around. Everybody look around your house and tell me one thing. Yes, Naitik, tell me what is there in your house? Any one thing.
Fan.
Fan. Good. Thank you. Only one. Okay. Yes, Naitik has said fan. Good. That means that. Quick.
Windows. Windows.
Huh? Windows. Very good. Neha. Look around your house and tell me one thing which you see. Everybody will get a chance. Huh?
Cycle.
Cycle. Okay, Neha. Good. So far I have heard fan, cycle, windows. Yes, Dhruv. What is there in your house? Tell me one thing which is there in your house.
Screen.
Louder.
Bolu, say something. What you know about your home?
Make 33.
Chennai 33.
Louder. What is green? You're saying me green something?
That's rubber. 3. Like 33.
I didn't hear.
What do you know about your
One
house?
more time. One more time. Louder, no? Ma'am is having a poor ear. One more time.
One more time. Say number one.
Number 1.
Okay. Then. Kartikeya.
Sofa, ma'am. Sofa.
Okay. Dharmika.
I see TV.
TV. Okay. Devkrish. Fridge. Okay. Diksha.
Yes, ma'am.
What do you see in your house? Tell me one thing you see in your house.
Yes.
AC. Okay. Hashini.
சொல்லுடா சொல்லு மேம் கேக்குறா
Washing machine.
Washing machine. Good. Rakshita. Pranita.
Next.
Grinder.
Okay. Janavi.
Wing, ma'am.
Swing. Okay. Siddharth. I can't see. Sailesh.
yes ma'am sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, tell me.
Camera is not working ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, Siddharth, I can hear your voice. Tell me what do you see in your house?
What do you see in our house?
Window.
Windows. Okay.
Doors.
Yes.
Lights.
Okay.
Fan.
Okay. Okay. Let's give.
Fridge.
Okay fine okay.
Good, Siddharth. That's so nice. You're eager to answer. Let's give chance for others also. Okay. Good. Very good, Siddharth. Yes, Sailesh.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, Siddharth. Sailesh.
Room with toys.
Okay. That's what I see. Okay. Satvika.
Cupboard.
Cupboards. Okay. Good. Yes. Nitila.
சொல்லு சொல்லு வீட்ல என்ன பார்க்க
Chair.
Okay. Tejas. What is in your house, Tejas? Yes, Vishant.
Dining table.
Dining table. Okay, Vivan.
Yes, ma'am.
What is in your house?
I saw the water.
One more time, louder.
I saw the water.
Okay.
laptop ma'am.
Yes, got it. Zaidi.
Yes. TV, mirror.
Okay, one. Yes, TV. Good. Okay, children. So,
Ma'am.
yeah, Kavyani, good morning.
Have a good day.
You too have a great day. Thank you. Yes, Kavyani, what do you see in your house?
Mummy got vaccinated
Ma- Mummy got vaccinated sodas.
Okay. Okay, so thank you so much, everyone. So I'll just club whatever you said: TV, washing machine, fridge, window, doors, dining table, laptop, and then chairs, tables, then toys, fan. All those you said correct. All those are in our house. Yes. So today, why I asked this is today we are going to see people who help us to build our house and use all these things. Okay, so last week we learned about different types of houses: boat house, stilt house, straw house, caravan, tent, bamboo house, then apartment, building, bungalow, all houses, many houses we saw. So there should be somebody who's helping us to build all these houses. So we're going to learn today people who help us build the house and what are the things inside the house. Okay, so shall we move on to the concept? Please sit straight. I'm going to show you many pictures. We'll learn. Okay, so as you all, many of you have said about fan, fridge, washing machine. Yes, so first one I'm showing this blue color cap uncle. He is called electrician. He is called electrician. When you get fan, light, washing machine, fridge, everything, no, it's all working because of current. Okay, if something goes wrong in that, if it's not working, then you should call this uncle, electrician. He'll come and check it and he'll fix it for you. Okay, so electrician is the uncle who will fix if there is any repair problem with your fan, washing machine, or fridge or light. If anything has a problem, then you have to call electrician. Electrician. Let me ask somebody. Yes, Devish, can you say electrician?
Electrician.
Yes, electrician. He uses the screwdriver, all these things. You see in the picture, the yellow color and red and blue color. He'll use this to fix the machine which has problem. Okay, even if your laptop sometimes goes wrong and there is no power in your laptop, you take it to a person, he'll fix it for you. Okay, so electrician. First one is electrician. Next, look at your walls, children. Look at your house walls. Is it not colorful? Everybody will have different colors in your wall, right? Some might have blue, some might have yellow, some might have pink, green, white, many colors. So who is painting your walls? Painter. See, this girl is painting the wall with yellow color. Painter. So what they will use for painting? Brush. They use brush, big, not a toothbrush, a big brush for painting the walls. So painter will help us to paint our house walls. Okay. Diction, can you say painter? Painter.
Painter.
Very good diction. Okay. Next, carpenter. So you said no, we have windows, doors, cupboards, dining table, table. If those things are made up of wood, then carpenter is uncle or aunt, whoever it is. They are the one who are making and fixing the tables, chairs, windows, dining table, cupboards, all those. Okay, if it is made up of wood, brown color, wood. Carpenter, carpenter. So he will use this gray color. This one, no, this is called saw. See, he's cutting. You see this picture? He's cutting and making the tables here. Okay, carpenter. Hashini, can you say carpenter, Hashini?
Painter.
Very good. One more time.
Carpenter.
Carpenter. Good, Harshni. Next, plumber. You don't have taps in your house, children. None of you said taps. You have taps, right? In your kitchen or in restroom. For washing your hands, for washing your legs, for flushing out everything, we have taps, right? So then there's a problem with the tap or the pipe which brings water. Plumber will fix this problem. So this is called plumber. So he'll use this one to fix the problem in the pipe and water supply. Okay, plumber. Janavi, can you say plumber? Plumber.
Black plumber, ma'am.
Plumber.
Black plumber.
Plumber.
Black plumber.
Okay, thank you, Janavi. Okay. Next one, the most important, building the house. We have all washing machine, grinder, fridge, all this in a house. But somebody there should be to build the house, right? The person who builds the house is called. Who is that? Janavi, please stay on mute. Mason. Okay, mason is a person who build the house. See, he keeping bricks and building the house. Okay, mason. Karthikeyan, can you say mason? Mason. Okay, good. So, electrician, painter, carpenter, plumber, mason. So these are the people who help us build the house and fix if there are any problem or repair in this. Okay. Next, Kavya. Mason. So mason is the one who builds the house. Who will build the house? Mason. Good. Naitik. Plumber.
Plumber.
Okay, if there is any problem with the pipe and water, plumber will fix it for us. Plumber.
Plumber.
Neha.
Carpenter.
Very good. Carpenter. Carpenter will help us for the windows, doors,
Windows.
painter.
Door. Painter.
Good. Carpenter. Nitila. Painter. Is Nitila there? Class join back. Nitila. Painter.
Painter.
Okay, what will painter do? He'll paint the walls. Painter.
Painter.
Yes, thank you, Nitila. Pranita.
Ma'am, electrician.
Very good. Electrician. When you have problem with the AC, when you have problem with the fan, when you have problem with the washing machine, fridge, electrician will fix it. Electrician.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pranita. Electrician. Okay. So we have learned about person who help us with the house, building the house, and in case of any problem, they'll come and help us. Okay. So now let's all do the worksheet, children. If you want to drink water, quickly go drink water and come back. We're going to start the worksheet. If anybody wants to drink water, short break, please go drink water and come. We are going to do this worksheet. SR-D21 CT worksheet. SR-D21 CT worksheet. Tejas, you didn't answer me that time. Can you answer me now? The person who paints the house is called, paints the wall is called? Painter. Can you say painter? Can you say painter? No? Okay, Pranita, did you find out the worksheet? Everybody drank water and came back. Please take out your worksheet. Open your worksheet. Please write your name and write today's date. So we are in July month. We are in July and today's date is 199.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Your excuse. Tell me.
Page number, ma'am.
SRD21 CT worksheet. I'm showing it on the screen, Karthikeyan. Can you see my screen, everyone? So today is July 19 and tomorrow is 20. Okay, and today is Monday. Monday.
Ma'am, finished.
Yes,
Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
what I have said, Siddharth, others has to do. If you're finished, very good. Please wait for others also to start. Okay? Good that you're finished on your own. Very good.
Sorry, ma'am.
No problem. Don't feel sorry for that. Then others will think, oh, I didn't finish and they'll feel bad. No problem. Very good, Siddharth. You're doing it on your own independently. Very good. And so today is Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, have you all found out the worksheet? Wrote your name, today's date 19.7.21. Yes, no? Shall we start? Okay, first one. Satvika. Noisy, Satvika. Noisy here. The person who. Okay, let me. Silesh.
Yes, ma'am.
The person who built the house is called mason. What he is called as? The first
Mason.
picture. Yes, mason. Can you read the spelling for mason? M.
M-A-S-O-N.
Okay. The first picture is mason. See, the uncle is building the house with bricks and cement. Mason. So if you see the right hand side, they are painting. So mason will paint. Mason will paint the house.
Oh.
No. Mason will build the house. Building. He'll build the house. Yes. So please join from mason to building. Building.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Satvika.
Now it is fine, ma'am.
Yeah, now it's fine. Thank you, ma'am. Second one, Satvika. Plumber.
Plumber, I think you are in.
Can you say plumber?
Say plumber. Say.
Talking, Satvika. Please listen. Plumber. Can you read the spelling for plumber?
Read the spelling.
P.
P L
Mm.
U N B
Mm.
E R.
Okay, what is his uncle doing? Plumber uncle doing? He's painting or he's fixing the tap?
Fixing the tap.
Yeah, fixing the tap. So see in this picture, the pipe is broken and the water is pouring down. So plumber will fix the tap and if there is a broken pipe. So please match plumber to the pipe. So plumber is uncle or aunt, whoever it is. If there is a problem with the tap or the pipe is broken, the water is pouring down, plumber will come and fix it. So plumber. Siddharth.
Yes, ma'am, sir.
Painter.
Yes, can you read the spelling? P
P A N
I.
I N T E
Mm.
R.
Very good. Painter. So who is a painter? He'll brush. He'll paint with the brush. He'll paint the walls. Okay. So here all the sofas are closed because the paint will fall on the sofa. So all the sofas are closed and they are painting the wall. Okay. So painter. Please join painter to here painting the wall. Thank you, Siddharth. Done, everyone. Okay, for the rest of the people, we'll quickly revise. Tejas is not answering me. Tejas, will you answer? Who is this? Electrician. No. Okay. Tarnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Who is this?
Electrician.
Yeah, what will electrician do, Tarnika?
Repair.
Hmm. He'll repair. He'll fix the repair. Fans, AC,
P.
TV, light, laptop, washing machine, whatever you said. Yes, all things he'll fix it for us. Electrician. Okay. Vishan.
Ma'am.
Painter. Good. Vivan. Vivan. Yes, Vivan is there. Vivan, can you hear me? Okay, Zedi.
Yes, ma'am. Carpenter.
Very good. Carpenter. Dhruv.
Carpenter.
Plumber. Good. Plumber. Nukshita.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Who is he?
Building house.
Yeah, very good. He's building house. Very good, Nukshita. That's what I want. Whatever you know, you can tell me. Mason.
Station.
Mason. Okay. Mason. He is the one who builds the house. Very good, Nukshita. Okay. Have you all finished the worksheet? Yes. Okay. Quickly, we'll do the activity, children.
Activity करते जाना.
Yes. Come on. Take out your 2 balls, whatever you have. Okay. First, listen. Keep your worksheets down and listen to my instruction, and then we can start. So, hope you all have 2 balls, right? And a spoon. Okay. One bowl will be empty. Okay. Another bowl will have whatever you have, rice, sugar, whatever you have got in your other cup, other bowl. Okay. So, what you're going to do is you're going to keep both the things on a table or on the floor, wherever. Okay. You want. I want you to, with a spoon, take a pile of rice or what. Try only I'm saying, okay, try to do without spilling, transfer it to the other empty bowl. Okay, there will be some spilling, that's fine, no problem. But we are just going to practice, see how much we are doing without spilling. Ready? But no cheating, I don't want to take very small. Take little bit, little more, okay? How much ever is possible for you. Ready? We'll quickly start. 5. I want an empty bowl. Show me the empty bowl. From the beginning, we're going to start together. Empty one. Empty. Gali. Empty. Yes, I can see Zedi, Nukshita. Nukshita, I can't see. Naitik, Dhruv. Yes, Tarnika and others too. Very good. Okay. So, ready? Let me say 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start, children. Come on. Let me also do. Okay. So I'm going to transfer first spoon. 1. Count 1 and then transfer 1, 2, 2, 3, 4.
Look here.
Look here. Yeah, I'll come and see each one of you. Wait. I'll come each one of you and see. Please don't unmute and call me. Okay? Please stay on mute. Yes, Kavyani, did you get the bowls, Kavyani? You have it? Yes. Okay. Okay. Okay, Kavyani. Yes, I see. I saw Danven. Yes, Danven. I can see Danven. Next, let them. Yes. Naitik, where is your spoon?
Ma'am, what is this, ma'am? Here, ma'am.
Yes, okay. I'll come to each one of you. You don't have to raise your hand, children. I'll come to. Yes. Neha. Good, Neha. Very good, Dhruv. Come on, quickly, quickly. Finish it, Dhruv. Very good. Good, Dhruv. Kartikeyan, finished? So fast? Good, Kartikeyan. Okay. Then... Tarnika, good. Come on, take. I said, please wait. I'll come to each one of you. Tarnika, take little more. Okay, little more the spoon. Yes, carefully, Devtrish. Tricky fellow, having the hand below. Good, Devtrish. Nice. Diction, good diction. Good. So if you have less snow, you have to take the ball, tilt it and take it. Okay, use that. Don't get help from anyone. You take the bowl. You should do it. Don't get help from anyone. Okay, tilt the bowl. Yes, good, Hashini. Little more. Yes. Rakshita, finished. You're calling me now when I ask you, you're not telling me. Nakshita, finished or not? Pranita, good Pranita. Come on, take little more. Pranita, innu konjam eduthuko nariya. Okay. Pranita, take little more. Innu nariya edu spoon la. Take little more. Then only we can finish it. More. Yes, good Janavi. Very good. You're having something else. What's that? Dal or sugar? What is that? Brown sugar. What is that? Janavi. What is that? That's brown rice. Okay. Okay, Siddharth, I can. Hope Siddharth has finished. Eilish. Yes, Eilish. Almost finished. Okay. Tilt the cup. Salish. See. Salish, tilt the cup and take it. Like that. So that it be easy for you. Yes. Satvika done. One more time, what did you finished? Good, Satvika. Very fast. Okay. Nitila is doing good. Okay, good. Done. Ishan finished? Come on, take a big heap. Big spoonful.
Finished, ma'am.
Good. Okay.
20
Tejas.
spoons, ma'am.
Okay, so much. What about Tejas? Good. Good, Nakshita. I can see you now.
Ma'am, I am finished, ma'am.
Okay,
I
ma'am.
finished, ma'am.
Good. Finish, please keep it aside. Please, if you're finished, very good. I saw all of you, right? Let me see.
Ma'am.
Yes, Janavi. Good, Janavi. I already saw your brown dress. Very good. Yes,
Thank
let's.
you, ma'am.
Tejas, where are you? Vivan. Vivan, I can't see you, Vivan. Zedi. Yes. Done, Zedi. Finished.
Finished.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, dear. Tejas, you finished the activity? Yes, no? Please take the spoon out of your mouth, Janavi. Okay. So I think all of you have finished. Most of you have done. Yes. Please keep the bowl and the rice aside. Make sure you keep it aside so that it doesn't spill. Please keep it aside. Aside. Keep it aside. Yes. So now we are going to revise. No, we have done the letter, cursive letter C and D. Can you all quickly grab your slate? Keep the rice bowl aside, spoon aside, children. Please take out your slate. Please take out your slate. Janavi, spoon not in the mouth. Keep it aside. What I said? I said bowl, spoon, everything. Please keep it aside. Pair. Okay, nice. Keep it down. Please take out your slate and the chalk piece. Come on, quickly. Ready? Yes, no? If you're ready, show me thumbs up. If you're ready, yes, Hasni. Good. Anaitik, ready. Good. So today we are going to, yes, last week we have done with A and B, correct? So today we are going to start with C. C, cursive, small, running C, capital C, small c. It's very simple. So if we are able to finish that, we'll move on with D. Okay? So C is very simple, children. From the red line to the second blue line, the normal C. See? From the red line to the blue line, C. Cursive C. Can you all write in your slate? C. It's easy, right? C. C. Cat. Camera. C. Now we are going to write small c. So what I said last week, from Monday onwards, we are not going to take our chalk piece or pencil out till we finish it. Okay? So slanting, curved, First listen. Curved slanting line, touch the blue line, trace on the same line and then C. Okay, see, now I took the hand, right? Now I am going to write without taking the hand. See? Curved slanting line, touch the blue line, trace on the same line and then C. Small cursive C. Understood? I'll write it little big and show. Slanting line, trace on the same line, trace on the same line and then C. I'll write with the finger C. Slanting line, touch the red line, blue line, trace the same line C. Small c. K sound C. Trace the same line. Very good, Zedi. Yes. Curved slanting line. See. Curved slanting line. Touch the first blue line. Trace on the same line and then C. Yes, Naitik. Good, Naitik. As we wrote A, no, C will be easy. Good, Naitik. Same way we will write A also. C. Finish, everyone. Yes. Yes, Nitila. Good, Nitila. Good, Hashini. Okay, Tarnika and Dhanvin are showing me. Okay. Good, Dhanvin's nice. Pretty good. Yes. Good, Tarnika. You're updated? Okay. No problem. Oh, you have it? Okay. Nice, Tarnika. Yes. So now let's revise few words with C. C. Cat. Candle. Cake. Cow. Crayon. Castle. Car. Camel. So all these starts with C. So this is the normal C. What I'm showing is a normal C. What we wrote now with the slate is cursive or running C. Have you all finished C? Yes, Neha. Good, Neha. Shall we move on to D now? Yes. If anybody wants me to wait, raise your hand. Others, put your hands down. Those who want me to wait for C, raise your hand. Others, if not, we'll go with D. Ready? We'll go with D? Yes, Vishank has said, so I'm going to go with D. So please listen what I'm writing, then you can start writing. We will write together. Please listen. So from the red line till the second blue line, 1. First one. First listen. First listen. Then a backward bend. Then a small sleeping line. Okay. Then go up like this. And then this is cursive D. The doll, the desk, the drum. All this is D. The. Okay. So now we'll write together. From the red line to the blue line, 1. Come on, write a standing line, children. Standing line. From the red line to second blue line, standing line. Backward bend. Small curve. Small backward curve. Then go here, small sleeping line. First standing line, backward curve, and then a small sleeping line. Have you all done till here? Let me start from the beginning if you have not started, for those who have not started. Pranita, are you writing? Pranita? Tejas, are you writing in a slate?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First standing line, small back curve, and then a sleeping line. Back curve, small curve, like you do for J, no? The inverted J, like this. How will you write J like this, right? The same thing, J. Then a small sleeping line. Go about like this. And then cross the standing line. Write J, children. It will be easy if you write J. You will write J now like this. The same way. Write J. Write J and then bend and then go up. D. Good, Kavyani. Good, Tarnika. Good, Danvin. It's nice. Pretty good. Yes. I'm coming and seeing Nitila. Give me a minute. Yes, good, Nitila. Sailesh finished? D. Capital D. Yes, good. Good. Vivan. Good, Vivan. Vivan, I was not able to see your cup transferring. Did you do?
There was a power cut during that time, ma'am.
Okay. I thought the problem is with my side. Yes, Devvish. Good, Devvish. I can see yours. Neha, finished? Neha? Halfway, I saw something half pending. Yes, finish that. It's half. Oh, you did it. Okay. One more time. Neha, write one more time. D, capital D, and show me. Yes, Zedi. Okay, Zedi. Janavi. D.
I'm writing, ma'am.
Okay, right. Take your time, right. Yes, good, Harshini. Satvika, D. Wrote? Okay. Karthikeyan. D. Good. Dhruv. Did you write D, Dhruv? Good. Very good. Small one. Pretty one. Yes. Good. Who else? Let me see. Dikshan. Wrote D? Yes. Dikshan, come bring the top one here and finish it here. The top one alone, finish it here. Bring it and finish it here. I think it's halfway. Pranita, can I see your D? Pranita. Vishang. Okay. So now we are going to write. Yes, I think it's nice. Now we'll write small d. How do you write small d? First write cursive C. How did we write cursive C? Curve, slanting line, trace on the same line and then C. The same way, first write capital small c, children. Cursive small c. See, I have written here. First write cursive small c, curve, slanting line, touch the first blue line, trace on the same blue line and then C. Curve, slanting line, touch the blue line, trace the same line, C. Cursive small c. Please write first cursive small c. Zedi, write without your mom's help and show me cursive small c. Come on, Zedi. Without holding the hand, come on, write and show me, Zedi. Cursive C. Curve, slanting line, trace on the same line and then C. Trace on the same line. Trace, trace, trace. Ah, C. Very good. Very good. Okay, little bigger, little bigger. Zedi, little bigger. The curve, little bigger. Now, children, close the circle and then go up. Close the circle and go up. Close the circle and go up. Are you all following with me? Close the circle and go up. Trace on the same line and then put a small curve. Trace the same line, put a small curve. Pranita, are you writing, Pranita? Ask me one more time. See, listen. I'll write one more time. Please listen, children. Then you can start writing. I think it is little confusing there. Please stop writing. Everybody listen and then, okay? Curved slanting line. Okay? Trace in the same line and then C. This we wrote. Okay? Now close the C. Go up. Close the C. Go touch the red line and then go up like 1. Trace on the same one and put a curve. Trace on the same one and put a curve. Yes, Tanika. Perfect. Yes. Good, Vivan. I saw you while you were writing. Make sure the D is closing. It's halfway, I think. It is halfway to me. Close it. Close the D. Close the D. Yes, Dhanven. Pretty nice, Dhanven. Perfect. Yes, Nitila. Very good, Nitila. Practice one more time. Those who have finished, practice one more time. Capital D and small d. Good, Hasini. Good, Hasini. Nukshita, finish capital D and small d. Yes, Pranita, show me. Capital D. Okay, small d, it's not correct, Pranita. Can you write small d one more time? Will you write with me? Come on. Small d alone. Pranita, curved slanting line. Curved slanting line. Trace on the same line and write C. Trace on the same line and write C. Now close the C, go up, touch the red line. Close the C, go up, touch the red line. Curved slanting line.
Ma'am, ma'am, Nega not listening. Please tell
Why
me.
Neha? You are writing capital D nicely. What happened for small d? Come on, write with me, Neha. Did you write till here, Neha and Pranita? See, Pranita, can you show me what you have written? Till what you have written, show me. Neha and Pranita. Pranita, show me. Kaatu enna idhirken kaatu. What happened? Neha, show me what happened. What have you written? Sailesh, good Sailesh. Yes, curve slanting and right C, Neha. Come on, right C. That means very nice. Then I saw you already. Pranita, you're my friend.
Ma'am, can you show from first how to write C and then D?
We already wrote C in the beginning, no?
No,
Okay.
no. 1 second.
Okay. I'll write bigger and show so that it will be easy. See, curved slanting line. Curved slanting line. Good, Pranita. See, here you wrote, no? From there, trace on the same line and write C. Trace on the same line and then write C. Trace on the same line. No. Neha, trace on the same line. And the line liye trace pannu. First write curved slanting line. Neha. Curved slanting line. Like this. You know curved slanting line, right? We have been writing last week. Come on, Neha. Very good. You're my friend. Come on, write fast. 1. Who is going to write first? Neha or Radha, ma'am? Let's see. Trace the same line. Trace the same line. Trace the same line. And then write C. Trace the same line and then write C. No. Trace the same line and write C. Down. Very good, Neha. You wrote C now? Okay. Now close the C. Close the C. Close the C. Close panel. Close it. Go up. Mark 1. Mark 1. Very good. Trace on the one back again. Trace on the one back again. And the one layer திருப்பி trace பண்ண. Oh, they rubbed it for you. They rubbed it, Neha. So you're feeling bad. We'll try one more time. Come on. Those who have finished D, capital D and small d, you can write one time tracing in the worksheet, children. Day 18. Day 18 LT worksheet. Others, those who have finished, please take day 18 LT worksheet. You will have C. Please finish the tracing part alone today. C and D tracing part alone. SR D18 LT worksheet. SR D19 LT worksheet. Both the tracing part alone will finish in the class today. Please. Those who have finished in the slate, please continue with the writing of tracing in the workbook. Please mark your name, date 19.7.21. Come on, start tracing. C. Yes, Neha, come on, we'll write Neha. Curved slanting line. Let her write. Please don't rub whatever she's writing. Let it be. She's putting so much effort in writing. Don't rub it. Come on, Neha. Curved slanting line. Curved slanting line. Vivan, did you write Vivan? Sorry, Vishak, did you write Vishak's small d? Where are you? Yes, Vivan. Sorry, I just spelled the wrong name. I was about to ask Vishak. Good, I saw you, Vivan, already. Yes, then trace the same line and then C. Good, Vishak. Come on, start tracing C alone in the worksheet, Vishak. Come on. Quick, come on. Cross the sea, go up. Yes. Now trace the same line. Very good, Neha. Trace the same one and put a small curve. Trace the same one and put a small curve. No, down, down, down. Trace the same one. Trace the same one, put a small curve. Trace, adle trace panna. Yes, Neha, correct. So, Pranita, have you taken your worksheet? Found out the worksheet? Day 18, SR, D18, LTWS01. Dhruv, did you find out? Nukshita? Zaidi, okay. Let me come and see. Some of you have raised your hand. Yes, Zaidi, you started?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Sailesh finished seed tracing. Small c, Sailesh, small c. You can write that later, down one later. Small c, start tracing small c. Who else is raised? Yes, you finished? Okay. Good. You can start with D, Sailesh. From the red line to the blue line, C. Capital C, straight, simple, children, for us. The small c, slanting line, touch the blue line, trace on the same line and then C. Trace the same line and then C. Small c. Slanting line. Trace on the same slanting line which you wrote and then mark C. C. For D, we saw drum, duck, doll, dolphin, dogs, dog, all start. Duck starts with D, D. Neha, keep the worksheet on the table and write. If you keep it in the lap, you will not be able to write properly. Keep it on the table. Good, Pranita, you're writing C. Yes, very good. Naitik, you finished writing C, Naitik? Good. You wrote your name in the worksheet, Naitik, name and date. Yes, Tarnika. You finished D? Okay. Tarnika, you may leave. If you finished tracing C and D, you may leave. Thank you, Tarnika. And tomorrow, just give me a minute, children. Can you all stay? Before I just give an announcement. So tomorrow is going to be Green Day. You hope you all have seen the message from Uma ma'am. So you're all going to dress up in green color and come and bring any one object which is green in color. Leaf, whatever you have, a pencil, crayon, whatever it is. Okay, please bring any one object in green color tomorrow. If you have green dress, please make sure you wear the green dress and come tomorrow. So tomorrow is going to be a green day. And second, tomorrow it's colors green day. But one more, we are going to have an activity for Go Green, like greenery or Go Green. Okay. So if you have seeds at your home, you can plant the seeds, take a snap. If you have plants already at your home, you can water the plants and take a photo. Okay. So by Friday, today is Monday, right? By Thursday or Friday, if you are able to plant a seed or plant as such, or water the plant if you have, water a tree if you have, if you are able to do it at your home or your grandma's place, wherever you are, take a snap and please do share with us before Thursday or Friday. Okay, so most important, tomorrow we are having green day activities. What are you going to do? Come in green color dress and bring any one object which is green in color, whether it's a vegetable or a fruit or a crayon or a pencil or a leaf, whatever, it's up to you, and show it to all of our class. Okay, so if any